Greetings, YouTube, and I hope you're well. Taking a little break, and I'm refreshed. I have started a new job working at night, so my schedules may change up a little bit. I haven't been on in quite a little while because it is a night job. Work from about 9 to 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning sometimes. There is somebody I want to say hello to. Dan, I know you're feeling bad. I know you hate going to the doctor. The last video you put up, I was very moved and touched. And I just want you to know, those that love you are behind you. I don't know what Bill did, but we all know that Bill's a dirtbag. He's not in it for the love of the hobby. He's in it for money. Straight up. Nevertheless, this is for drone worship. Get well soon. I'll be praying on you, buddy. That other thing, just keep persevering. Keep persevering. You are loved. You're needed. This community needs you very, very badly. You take care of yourself, buddy. This is Silver Top Flyer, signing off.